Hey guys, Manuel from Palm Beach Tactical. I have Glock's new G45 at the store. We'd like to do a brief overview. So many of you know the 19X. It is a 19 upper on a 17 lower. Glock went ahead and released the 45, which is very similar. It is a 19 length slide on a 17 length lower. They have added the front serrations. This is black, of course. Notable differences are this lacks the extended magazine release. This does not have the toe at the front like the 19X does. It does, however, have a flared mag well, and it does not come with the +2 magazine extensions. We have 3 variants. So this is the AmeriGlow night sights, Glock night sights, as you would find on the 19X, and plain. We have them in stock at Palm Beach Tactical. Thanks. Okay, and as you can see, here we have the 3 variants of the G45, all side by side, and we have the 19X as well. So we'll start with the plain plastic sights. Glock night sights, same you would find on the 19X, and then the upgraded AmeriGlows. Okay, I wanted to go in depth a little bit about the mag release. So let's look at it here. As you can see, the standard mag release. And then let's take a look at the 19Xs. So it has the curve at the front. And here we are showing the mag wells. So the 19X does not have a flared mag well, and it does have a toe at the front, lanyard loop as well, whereas the G45 does not have the lanyard loop. The mag well is flared, which is a very nice touch, and there is no toe at the front. And here we are doing a close-up of the front cocking serrations.